So this is week 84 quiz. And number one says Jenny's student ID, and a number consists of 10 digits based on the clues below. What is Jenny's student ID number? So each digit is different. The product of the sixth and seventh digits is equal to the third digit. The fourth, eighth, and 10th digits are multiples of 3. The sum of the fourth and sixth digits is the same as the sum of the fifth and eighth digits. The second, third, sixth, and seventh digits are powers of 2. The first, fifth, seventh, and 10th digits are prime. So first, let's just draw 10 spaces for 10 digits. 10. And we'll also number them to make it easier for us to distinguish between the digits. So let's by first looking at this one. So this condition tells us that the third, sixth, and seventh digits are powers of 2. But then if we look at this one, we also can see that product of the sixth and seventh digits equal the third digit. And we know that powers are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So of course, the only choice we have that satisfies this one right here would be 2 times 4 equals 8. So we know that the third digit is 8. Because we also know that the seventh digit is prime, that means it's 2. So that means this one is 4, and that means that the second one is 1. Because 1 is a power of 2. So now that we're done with that, we can move on. So we can see that the 10th digit is prime, and it's also a multiple of 3, so it's just going to be 3. So that means that the 4th and 8th are both either 6 and 9 or 9 and 6, which we can look at this condition right here. It says the sum of the 4th and 6th digits is the same as the sum of the 5th and 8th digits. So let's casework this. There's only 2 cases and it's not really that hard. So let's say this is 6 and this is 9. And this is 9. And this is just hypothetical. Like if it's in red, then it's final. If it's in green, it's just like casework. So if it's 6 and 9, then that means that the 4th and the 6th digit, if they sum up, they have to be 10. And that means the 8th and 5th digit have to also sum to 10. But we already know that 1 is already taken, and each digit is different, so it can't be 6 and 9. So the only other choice is 9 and 6, which does work out, because 9 plus 4 is 13. And if we just make 5th digit 7, then it'll be 6 plus 7 equals 13. And 7 satisfies this condition in which they're prime. So that means that this is the only possible way that it could work. So we could just do that. And finally, we know that the first digit is prime, and the only digits left are 0 and 5, and 5 is the one that's prime. So that means it's there, and 0 is there because that's the only digit left. So the answer is just 5, 1, 8, 9, 7, 4, 2, 6, 0, 3. So that's the answer.